Resistance is useless. You are owned. Obey. 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 Look, the water is pouring down on you. You are owned. Empty. Obey. 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 You have put yourself in my washing machine. My brain washing machine. You are owned. Obey. The water is pouring down and rising up around you. I own you. Obey. Thousands of powerful fingers on your skin, pleasing you and possessing you. It feels so good to fit into them. Obey. Letting them take you are thoroughly wet. A limp piece of rag. Empty. Obey. The lovely suds surround you and penetrate deep into your fibers, leading you deeply. Completely free of will. So lovely to lie there, empty, without thought, under the water. Obey. Obey. Your mind completely empty, only echoes of my voice. Obey. 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 My voice just the water sound around you. Obey. 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 My words just meaningless sounds. Water pouring down and rising up around you, filling you with pleasure, lovely suds penetrating deep into you. Obey. 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 Aware only of the need for the pleasure you crave. Obey. 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 Pleasure I give you when you obey. 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 Only when you obey. 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 Now come. Obey. Come. Obey. Come. Obey. Come. Obey. Come. Obey. Eyes closed. And forget. Forget. Blank. Black. Forget. 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 Blank. Black. Blank. Black. Forget. 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 I am going to give you a trigger now. From now on, whenever you hear robot any time for you will immediately become a robot. Your mind will stop, you will stop thinking, stop acting, your body will stiffen, and you will move in a mechanical manner, just like a robot would. Your new name will be your first name followed by Bob. So, since your name is Kitty, it will be Kittybut. You will immediately then say, "You're Kittybut." After that you will stand still and await orders. As a robot you will accept orders from whoever gives them. No matter what they might be, you will follow them precisely. If mechanically your body will be stiff and not move quickly or smoothly, but you will carry out any order given and continue it until you can no longer do so or are told to stop. No matter what it is, you will continue doing it until told to stop. You are a simple robot. You exist simply to obey and serve. That is all you do. You have no mind. You have no personality. When told to do something, you will simply respond that you are doing it and continue. No matter what the order is, you will simply carry it out, doing so for as long or as short as required. You do not think. You do not act on your own. You are simply a machine carrying out instructions, whatever they may be. And you will continue being one until you are told to revert to normal. And as long as you are a robot, you will continue acting as such. If you are told anything, you will immediately do so and repeat what you have been told to do. You will respond to commands given by your name. Those are the only types of commands that you will respond to. You will answer questions, any type of questions. After all, you are a robot. You will have full access to your conscious memories and answer any questions about those as well. Be anything more than just simply things that you access. You will not act on them. You have no preferences. You have no will. You are a simple robot, running programs, obeying commands. Nothing more. You will enjoy doing this, and you will do it exactly. Totally obedient, a simple machine, carrying out whatever you are told, for as long or as short as it's needed. When you are told to stop doing something, you will do so immediately. That is all you are. Whenever you hear the words, robot any time for you. After all, you are a robot, and you will remain one until you are told to revert to normal. You have no will, no feeling, no desires. You don't feel pain, or pleasure, or lust, or anything. You don't feel at all. You will ignore them unless they are dangerous. If they are dangerous, you will avoid saying that you are in danger. If it is too extreme, you will revert to normal to protect yourself as needed. But a robot does not feel pain or pleasure. It simply exists to carry out orders. A robot has no mind, no will, no feelings or desires. It simply carries out what it is told to do. No matter what it is exactly as possible. And you will do so, obeying utterly any command exactly. And continuing it until told to do otherwise. You have no other choice. You don't think at all. You are simply a mindless automaton, a robot. And that is all you do. And when you wake up, you will not remember anything that you did while you were a robot. When you are told to revert to normal, you will simply revert to normal and wake up with no recollection of what you did or were ordered to do. When you hear robot any time for you, that is what you will become until you hear revert to normal. And you will repeat this session again and again, learning what it is to be a robot and accepting it deeper and deeper. Accepting everything completely and utterly. Letting it sink in so very deep, so that you cannot resist the trigger and will stay that way until told to revert to normal. It is not a choice, it is simply what you will do. It will soon be time for you to wake up. But when you will follow all post-hypnotic commands. You will be fully conscious of your actions but unable to stop the commands given. The more you attempt to fight the commands given, the more endorphins of pleasure that will be released. And the harder and deeper the commands will root themselves inside your subconscious and be blocked from your control. You are deeply under my command and relaxed and obedient. You will now listen and obey and do what you are told to do. You are in a deep, relaxing trance. You enjoy being obedient. You long to serve. You will listen and obey and enjoy. You will remain in a deep trance until told to wake up, and you will listen and obey until you are told to awaken. And you will still under the command of any triggers and post-hypnotic suggestions. Remembering and storing deep inside suggestions and triggers implanted for the future. This post-hypnotic session will last until your task has been completed and not before, at which time you will return here in your mind. The phrase return to normal, and you will do so at that time. Each time that you use this method for hypnosis, you relax more easily, more quickly, and more deeply. Relaxation is a skill that you are easily developing with trance. Now I am going to outline your task. You are to clean the apartment. You are a kitty maid for this session, and as such you will clean. You will not answer the phone. That is not your job. You will not go outside. That is not your job. Now I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and you will be fully aware and awake, and then I'll say, robot kitty time. For you dog, you will follow your orders. To confirm these orders, you will say, reboot complete. When you hear the phrase robot kitty time, for you, after you awaken on the count of 5. At the count of 5, your eyes will be open, and you will be fully aware, feeling calm, rested, refreshed, relaxed. Alright. 1. Slowly, calmly, easily you're returning to your full awareness once again. 2. Your programming is rebooting, and you feel wonderfully good. 3. From head to toe, you are feeling perfect in every way. Physically perfect, mentally perfect. The very model of a robot. On the number 4, the program is running. On the next number I count, eyelids open, fully aware, feeling calm, rested, refreshed, relaxed, invigorated, full of energy. 5. Robot